Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at a Wi-Fi system that promises to bring lightning-fast, next-generation connectivity into every corner of your home. The TP-Link Deco BE11000 immediately caught my eye, because while mesh systems are already popular for fixing dead zones, this one takes things up a notch with Wi-Fi 7 support and a sleek, modern design. It looks more like high-end home decor than a router, which is a relief because we all know your living room definitely needed another mysterious white cylinder to collect dust. The setup is surprisingly simple. You just plug in the main unit and let the Deco app hold your hand through the process. In just a few minutes, the network is up and running, and the app shows you exactly which rooms have the best signal, finally giving you a valid excuse to avoid that one corner of the house. Performance-wise, this system is a legitimate powerhouse. Wi-Fi 7 means faster data rates and lower latency, even when multiple people are streaming, gaming, or pretending to work at the same time. The BE11000 model delivers tri-band connectivity, so your devices can spread out across bands without interfering with each other. This translates to smooth 4K streaming and lag-free video calls, meaning you can now see your coworkers' disappointed faces in stunning high definition without a single hiccup. It handles everything from casual browsing to heavy data loads without breaking a sweat, which is honestly more than I can say for most of us after a light jog. Another highlight is the suite of advanced features built into the app. You can set up parental controls, prioritize devices for gaming, and monitor usage at a glance, perfect for figuring out exactly which family member is hogging the bandwidth. It also supports multi-gig wired connections, which is fantastic if you actually have high-speed internet and want your wired devices to take full advantage of it. Overall, the TP-Link Deco BE11000 delivers on its promise of fast, reliable, and future-proof Wi-Fi. It's easy to set up, blends nicely into any space, and if you're willing to invest the small fortune it costs to stay ahead of the curve, it makes a strong case as one of the best options out there for the modern, overconnected home.